yard. We throw the seed of sinya guy over here and grow. Like that, oh. But this sinya is from Aero Garden. We plant this in Aero Garden for 15 days. And then after 15 days, we transfer here. Let's see this guy. If this is grow and then give a flower. So next time, we need to throw seeds na lang in the yard. But I'm not sure. We need to pour water guys. Mag-pour the water over here.